Liberty stock number 51161, 25-inch Speedfam model 9B-5L, double-sided lapping machine, single motor design, serial number 111972. All right, Rod, let's go.
Good to go? There's not much to show on the other side. I got one side controls up, air package, if you want to look at the electrics.
Yeah.
Off to the side here. I think it's open. Yeah, it's all unplugged. There we go. That one should be open. Yeah.
Yep, good.
That's all there is to look at over there, right? And then I got the air kind of set. It's not too bad. So up and downs.
Okay.
And where are we at? Oh, motor on. Let's go motor on first. Fire it up. And even with this up in the air, I can index it. Small counter on there.
I am for the air.
What's that? Always. Do one more time. And other than that, I've got the run timer set for 30 seconds. Pressure control, pressure 1, set for 10 seconds, and we'll play with this while it's going for its 30-second run. We'll go quick up, quick down. We'll show that right away. We're latched up. Let me go up first, maybe. And then down. Quick down. Want to get around the other side here, maybe? Or, I don't know, come over.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just going to get in your way. Quick up. And slow up, slow down, or slow down. Turn the timers on. We did that. Yeah, main motor's on. We can play with this. There's not much else to show. I'm going to settle it in on slow down. It's floating right now, and as it's running, I can just dial up the air pressure and let that second one drop in. So that said, we'll leave it right there. Start our cycle. As you see, it's turning. In fact, I don't even have to drop it, because whenever it hits timer number 2 or second down pressure, it'll drop. There it is. And then when it takes off. Up to 30 seconds. Oh, it works pretty good. Oh, let me, yeah, speed control. I mean, maybe we're on one more. I'm going to run out of time here. That's it. Bring it up a little bit. We can do one more quick one. Quick up. Slow down. Right there. Let her rip. And it'll come up later. There we go. Just to play with the, that's floating up. Here's faster. Number 7, 8. It's coming up. I'm backing up there. Let's just drop down. Yeah, 8, 8.5. And we'll come down a little bit. Leave it right about there. With 6 seconds to go. PC2. Take it up. Latch it up. And motor off. We're good here.
That's real good. Thank you.
Yeah. And all my shit that I'll never clean up, so who cares? In fact, I should